Okay, moment of truth. Everything should be connected, and the old Triumph stuff is still there. The charger hooked up to the battery, and the inverter, the cooling, the last battery, battery number 5, the little one, I was able to put up here, and the ResolveEV controller, some relays, some extra fuses, and the nest with both the CAN bus and the 5 volt, 3 volt, and 12 volt wires in here. The radiator, that's a Golf, Volkswagen Golf radiator. I had to move everything over to the side just because I was had to fit this one, the expansion unit for the coolant. I haven't decided really what to do with this. This is the fast charging, 50 kilowatt, and this is the European style normal charging, 220. And the battery is where it's supposed to be. And this is where the BMS and the battery information is connected. I've broken that right now just to check. I have a separate little wire that I made with the instructions from Dola the Great just to test the battery separately. So from this big battery, it runs the plus wire runs straight here. So that's half the power, 190 something volts. And the other wire goes from that part over to the other batteries, and then a chain link over to the last battery, and then over here to this relay. So 2 relays and a resistance for the pre-charge, and then all the power goes over here and out to the pre-charge unit, and then further into the inverter and motor. So right now there is no power here. There is just separated batteries, split in half. So we're gonna check that out. I mounted the disconnect back here with the other 3 batteries. I'm gonna cover this up with a sheet metal thing, so I'm just, okay, nothing, good. So now it's connected. So there should be 390 volts between these 2 right now. And yeah, I think that's should be right. So this one here, and yeah, 391 volts, correct. So here in Sweden we have about the same voltage in our power outlets over here, 3-phase. So this is not much different, except for it's DC and just one circuit, no phases. So if you touch these can deliver maybe 250 amps, maybe 400 amps straight to you. So you should be aware of that. And now I'm gonna take my little Bluetooth connector. This is the one I chose for the Leaf Spy app. I bought it on Amazon. I bought a couple, but none worked really, except this one. This one works fine. So it just needs to be plugged into this, and then it starts talking after a while because it's has some extra power from the battery. And hopefully it'll start chatting. Yeah, now it starts talking to the BMS, And the battery has been out of use for quite a long time now, so it's quite exciting to see how it's been holding up. So here I can see that the BMS is trying hard to balance out all the differences in the cells, and hopefully it'll be even soon. So now we can see that the BMS has leveled out all the cells. So now the next step is to hook this one up from the BMS into the ResolveEV controller via this nest, and turn on the power from the batteries into everything. First, see that the normal circuits in this old car works with lights and light wipers and stuff, and then start looking at the little screen that's supplied to you when you buy one of these. So I just hook this up like here. So this is kind of temporary. I'm gonna make it nicer, hopefully. So this is the small screen that's included. I put that just in a Nissan plastic. And then these are the buttons. I just stole these from the old Leaf. This is like reverse, neutral, and drive. And then I have the Bluetooth Leaf Spy connector, OBD2 connector down here. So that's the next step. And the BMS seems to be working fine. And here's, it's gonna be covered with some sheet metal back here. And this is the original Nissan Leaf water pump. And I don't know how warm the water is gonna be or the coolant, but I connected it to the original circuit for the defroster system just because I could. And yeah, it's kind of tight. I managed to fit the radiator fan, and that's also controlled by the Resolve EV. It's solves a lot of problems, that little computer.